Hi, as we learned what are robots and some sensors and how to make this robot working. So today we will know how to make this robot come to its original place after doing a task. Have you wondered how delivery robot works? The delivery robot will take food or any package from one place to another. Like for example, a robot will take a package from here, it will go straight, it will drop a package here, again it will turn right and it continues straight and it again drops a package here, again turn right and move back to its original place, to the restaurant or any store or anything from where it have originated. So this is how our delivery robots work, right? So in this it will also detect some sensors like who are walking, where are some potholes, where are some poles, where are traffic lights, etc, etc, everything, right? So today we will make one. So first, for that we need to go for my program. So let me say first, in this, now what we will be making is we will make this robot move forward, turn right, again move forward, turn right, come straight, again turn right, and move forward, right, and back to its original place. So this is what we are going to do today. We can say that we are going to create a rectangular delivery robot path. Okay, so we'll start with my program. We will keep it here. So as we know that our robot route is going to be too long, right? So moving forward 1 2 3 4, maybe 4 steps, again 2 steps, again around 10 to 12 steps. So we cannot keep on like clicking on motions, move forward, and we will be just dragging it, right? So instead of that, as we learnt a shortcut, we will go to loops, we will click on first block and we will place it here. So we will go to motions and we will click on move forward and we will drop it here. So now we have told our robot to repeat dash times to move forward. So how many steps we want? So we will go in math, and in math we will go to our first block and we will drag it here. This block is used to insert a numerical value. So after dragging it here, I want it to move 4 steps. So I'll enter 4. Now if we see, when clicking on start, a robot is moving 4 steps perfectly. So after that I want it to turn right. After turning right, we want it to move forward 2 steps. So 1 and 2. So now what a robot will do, let's see. 4 steps forward, again turning right, then 2 steps forward. Then again I want it to turn right and move forward several steps. Like I want it to move forward around let's say 10 steps. So for that we will go to loops again. We will drag this block, place it here and move forward. Will be in the task form. And go to math, drag this first block and place it here. As we said, we want it to move 10 steps, so we will enter the value 10. After entering the value 10, the robot will understand from here I want to move 10 steps forward. So after that, what we will be doing is we want it to turn right again when it comes to this point. After turning right here, it will go straight till here, and again we want it to turn right and move forward so that it will be coming back to its original place, which is here, right? So for that, what we will be doing is, after moving forward 10 steps, again we will turn right. After turning right, I don't want it to sit just there, right? Because we want it to come back to its original. So we will place, move forward, again move forward. So now the robot will come to this place. Let's see how it works. So as we saw, our robot is moving forward 4 steps and turning right, and 2 steps forward and turning left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 steps forward, and again turning right and 2 steps forward as we commanded it. So now after from this point to this point is its original path, right? So this point is its like this is where a robot have started its journey. So we want it to come back to that point. For that, what we are going to do is we will again go to loops and repeat and place another loop here. So after that, we want it to repeat. So now if we see here, we have 10 steps totally, right? So how do we know how many steps are from here to here? So first we have used 4 steps, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and totally this path is 10 steps. As we know that in rectangle two sides are equal, right? So for that 10 minus 4 will be 6. So our the value will be 6. Enter, and again I will go to motions and move forward and drag it here. So this is how we have told our robot to deliver something, again deliver something, and move forward and re- um, and again deliver something and come back to its original place. So let's have a breakdown. So we have a my program block, which is my most important block because it contains all the information of our program. So first we will move 4 steps. So instead of like just dragging these move forward block 4 times, we have just um, we have just used a loop so that it will move forward 4 steps with smoothly as same as we do manually. So after that we want it to turn right. Again after turning right, we want it to move forward 2 steps and right again. So here comes a point where we want a robot to move 10 steps. So now it is really tough to take these blocks again and again from here and dragging it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what we have done is we have again used a loop so that we will move forward 10 steps without putting these block manually. After that, after reaching the 10th step, we want a robot to turn right. After turning right, we want it to move forward and forward 2 times. So again we want it to turn again we want it to move forward 6 steps. So we have inserted a value 6, right? So let's see how it works. So first we will start 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Alright, so it is going smoothly, right? After turning right, oh, it is going straight. Why is it going straight? Because if we see here, we have not commanded robot to turn right at this point. So that is why it is going. This is how we rectify our mistakes. So see, we have commanded a robot to turn right. After a loop, again move forward 2 steps and right, and in the second loop also we have commanded it to turn right and move forward, but we have not ended it with right. So that is why the robot will be going forward. So now after clicking on this, now our robot will be working smoothly. After clicking on start, we can see that our robot is moving forward 4 steps, turning left and 2 steps, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 steps, and again right. So as we saw, a robot have completed our journey from point A to B, and from point B to C, and point C to D, and D to E point, and from E point to back to its original, that is A. So this is how we make a delivery robot using the blocks. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video, Future Robot Builders.